Wagwan guys, it's your girl Nishoy and I'm back with another freaking video. So I'll be giving my sister a hair makeover for her birthday. So by the time you see this, it will be beyond her birthday. But if you want to see how I transform her from this to this, then stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell. It keeps you posted whenever I upload a new video.
Smiling while you're cursing. I admit it's working. You're working.
Alrighty people, let's jump straight into the video. Now I'm just showing you her hair before I do anything to it. Now I'm gonna just detangle the hair and then I'm gonna put it into 4 sections. Afterwards I'm gonna blow dry it. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch this process and then I'm gonna come back and explain what I'm going to do next when it's time to move on. Alright guys, so what I'm gonna do now is pre-part the hair. I'm gonna give her some medium plaits and I'm just gonna do that and then I'm gonna come back and then I'm gonna explain something else to you guys, and then maybe if I have something to mention then I'll mention it. Then maybe you guys could just watch and leave a comment and subscribe to my channel if you're new. If you're not yet subscribed, then subscribe. All my returning subscribers, I really appreciate it. Alrighty guys, so the hair that I'm using is the expression braiding hair. So what I did was I bought 2 packs of expression braiding hair, cut it into 4 pieces, then measured it out. Alright, you can do this if you want to, you don't have to do it. So what I'm gonna do is the knotless braids. So you're gonna need your wax or edge control, whatever you use. Alright, so you're gonna apply it around the hair. You wanna detangle the hair. Then you're gonna start. You wanna make sure your parting is clean. Then you're gonna make sure it's all sleek. Then you're gonna start to plait the hair, adding the hair underneath. And this is all I'll be doing throughout the video. So please enjoy the rest of the video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell. I'm not gonna tell you guys, I'm gonna keep telling you guys over and over and over and over. Please subscribe to join the Jamaican Gyal family. And I am thinking about making a couples channel. So whenever I have that channel uploaded to YouTube, then I'll start telling you guys about it.
You don't even know me like that. Are you pressed for time? Put you on my mind. Come a little closer like that. staying up all night, throwing drinks back. Blue eyes smiling while you're cursing. I admit it's working. You're working. Don't care, you're crazy, it's perfect. Shaky and I'm slurring, 'cause I'm nervous. It's you.
I don't know where we go. I feel like it's changed, love. I'm losing my mind, feeling that kind of love. I feel like a deep hole. You give me something that I can't give you here. Tell me what you're thinking, I need to know you're feeling. If you crush on me, you need to know my story. But don't get too close to me, 'cause I need my fantasy. Here I am, falling down, crashing down, and I feel like I don't need you. Here I am, falling down, deep inside, and I feel like I don't need you. Sun shining, and all these good times, we know we had something. Don't feel the vibe when we're not floating. Ain't no good time when it's a darker sin. You give me something that I can't give you here. Tell me what you're thinking, I need to know you're feeling. If you crush on me, you need to know my story. But don't get too close to me, 'cause I need my fantasy. You give me something need you. My head in the clouds, I don't know where we go. I feel like it's changed, love. I'm losing my mind, feeling that kind of love. I feel like a deep hole. You give me something that I can't give you here. Tell me what you're thinking, I need to know you're feeling. If you crush on me, you need to know my story. But don't get too close to me, cause I need my fantasy.